Alright, this might give you guys out there a few laughs. Uh, 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 we're in the middle of a blizzard, a snowstorm blizzard. My buddy, John Peters, let me do this. My buddy John Peters from Apple Machine and Tool Company, 5 miles away from me, alright? Send me these pictures. I created this visual. So let's start here. Having a good time, wish you were here. In the middle of this fucking blizzard. Alright, let's go down here. See, it says February 23rd, both places. Those are the pictures. Let me blow them up a little bit. There's John with his backhoe fucking plowing it. Of course, I hate to mention, but he had to fix the backhoe before he could do this. You see this? Alright? Let me go back. Alright? Here's what John had to say. This is the most fun I've had since the appendix operation. Alright? And like we both say, bon appetit with the thumbs down. And let's wrap it up with this. Mother Nature is a bitch. Alright? I'm out of here. I hope this entertained you.